Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a few DIYs with items that I purchased, mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all of the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. Here we have a 3-leaf clover wreath, and we have some Waverly antique wax stain that we'll be using, along with the sponge brush and that wooden cross I got from the crafters section. So we'll be cutting the twine off of that, and we will be staining the wood. We will be using some wooden letters that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and like I said, I'll have it all listed below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's jump right into it, guys. This Waverly antique wax that I purchased at Walmart, when you apply it, it doesn't feel like a wax, it acts more like a stain, and it dries very quickly. So I'm absolutely loving working with this antique wax, and I'm loving the results of all of the items that I use this wax on. So I would really recommend it. Now with the wooden letters that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, you only really get one letter of each, so you can't, it's almost like you have to get multiple packs. So sometimes it is a little bit easier to purchase them somewhere else. But I decided to go ahead and spell out bless so that I can place that on the 3-leaf clover wreath, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. Then I decided to hang a tassel over it and put a little bit of the iridescent gems around it. I really like the results of it. I hope you do too. So remember to place the letters where you would like them. Make sure you're happy with the placement before gluing them down. I find this works better for me. So the iridescent gem stickers, I purchased those at Walmart, and I wanted to go around the cross with those gems. I thought it would come out absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving the results. So after placing the iridescent gems around the cross, I decided to use these wooden cubes to make a stand for the cross. Then I decided to scatter some of the iridescent gems around this wreath and then hang a green tassel using the jute twine that's in green that I purchased also from the Dollar Tree. So I found this small little tiny basket over at Dollar General, and I thought it was small enough for me to make a cute little floral arrangement using the basket. I thought that would look absolutely beautiful, and I'm really loving these results. So here I decided to finish decorating this 3-leaf clover with these iridescent gems. And then I stuck that right in the floral arrangement. I think it came out so cute. Okay, so at Dollar General, you see this little truck here? I picked that up for only $1. So I decided to revamp it and use it here on the floral arrangement basket. And it looks gorgeous. So after the paint dried, I think the color came out really nice. It blended everything in together, and of course we had to embellish with iridescent gems. Isn't this absolutely adorable? I'm really loving it. So now we're going to stick this to the front of the floral basket. Okay, so now we're done with the DIYs, and I'm gonna get ready right now to display this. As soon as we glue this truck onto this basket, you will see how everything came out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.